Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, we're going to make a chicken curry, a kind of korma. It's not actually korma, but it's got almonds in it and some cream. It's nice and smooth, light, delicate. But the main thing about this is it's super fast. The way we're going to make this is super easy. Absolutely anyone can do this, and it is really delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. I've left a list of all the ingredients and the amounts and method in the text below. Chicken, I've got 1 kg of chicken there, cut into parts. So there's all different parts, legs, thighs, wings, everything. Skin is on, bone is in. 1 large onion sliced, 2 tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato, cut nice and small. Green chilli to taste, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons garlic paste, 2 teaspoons ginger paste. Cream, there's some cream. Now that's a thick cooking cream. You can be using any type of cream you want, single, light, thick, up to you, all works the same. There's half a cup there. Oil, 1/4 cup. Today I'm using curry powder. Now this is a curry powder that I've made. I'll leave a link at the end for that one. There is 1 heaped tablespoon there. Here we've got some flaked almonds. That's just a dressing at the end. Here we've got half a cup or just under half a cup of ground almonds. Here we've got some fresh cilantro or coriander. This is super easy. We're pretty much going to mix all of it apart from a couple of things together. Okay, so we've got a large mixing bowl. We're going to add the onion, the tomatoes, the fresh chili, salt to taste, that oil. Now I'm using a sunflower oil. What this does is just kind of binds it together and helps it on its way. The cilantro or coriander. You could try fresh mint as well, that's lovely. Our curry powder. Like I say, I'll leave a link at the end for this. Or you could just use one, from any store that you go to. We're now going to get our garlic ginger paste. In that goes. So everything we need is in. The cream goes in later. The ground almonds go in later. And the flaked almonds go right at the end. What we're going to do now is simply get in and give this a mix. So if you wanted to, you could shrink wrap that, plastic wrap it or cling film it, get it in the fridge overnight, lovely. Or, like me, a little bit busy today, we're going to go straight to the cooker. So we've got a pan here. You're going to need a lid for it as well. Simply heats on. This all goes in right now. The whole lot in. And what we're going to do is on a medium heat. We're going to let that go for about 15 minutes, but give it a stir every now and then. Okay, that's 15 minutes. Let's jump in and take a look. Look at that, fantastic. Those tomatoes have broken down, give us off a little bit of moisture. What we're going to do now is add a little bit of water. Or a chicken stock if you wanted. Water works fine for me. Staying on this medium heat. We're now going to go for another 7 minutes or so. That the size of this chicken. 7 minutes will be fine. Again, give it a stir every now and then. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat to a simmer now. Let's jump inside. Got a lovely amount of masala or gravy there, or sauce, whatever you call that. We're now going to add in that cream. Like I say, I'm using a thick cream. Any cream will work, a runny one, a thick one. I know you guys in America don't call cream the same as us. So anything works, like I say. It's gonna add a nice kind of smoothness to it. Then we're gonna get them almonds, those kind of ground, I've ground them down like quite powdery. In that goes. Gonna give that a mix. And we're gonna let this go now, just for another couple of minutes on this low heat, stirring all the time. Okay, and there you go. Just put a little bit of fresh coriander or cilantro on the top, and then a few flaked almonds, and we're job done. You've got a really nice, quick and easy, creamy, almondy, spicy chicken curry. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below. We will see you soon. Lots of love.